Okay, Faulkner Fixes All here, as usual. I'm fixing something. Yeah. Truck update. Still haven't made the stainless backer plate for the headlight and tail light. And I'm gonna make a little backer plate here to kind of save this rail. But yeah, it's about as good as I'm gonna go for it. That was a lot of work. Hey, get out of here, B. Had to make this seam. Couldn't really get much in there. It's too rusty. Kind of rusty up in there. Just made this, you know, welded across here. A bunch of little tacks and then grinding it off. And, you know, trying not to use the grinder. Trying to use this thing instead of the grinder. When you use the grinder, you bevel into the steel a little bit, and it's kind of beveled. And should I spot putty it? Probably, but I'm not. It's probably better than the rest of the truck. It's in there. It's a patch. It kind of looks like the other side. Let's see. I hope this other side isn't rusted. Oh, this other side is rusted too. Oh, dude. Well, that's another day. Yeah, it looks just like the other side. Yeah, it looks a lot better than the other side, actually. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get to this other patch today. I'm just gonna tape this off and put a quick spritz of satin black just to protect what I got. I'll probably sand this smoother a little bit with some sandpaper. No spot putty, I can't deal. It's on there. It's probably gonna look better than the rest of the truck. So, you know, when you got stuff like this, water under Bondo, you know, where do you stop? You know, this whole piece should be replaced, but not today. Well, you know, this hole was bugging me. This was really bugging me a lot, actually. And now we're gonna spray it. And yeah. Anyway, stay tuned for more exciting amateur body work, you know. How not to fix an antique truck. Oh, it's not quite an antique. It's not 100 years old yet, sorry. Vintage, yeah. Yeah, people are quite excited when you use the antique word. Okay, less talk and more work. A subscriber told me that, so let's get busy. Let's get serious. Have a good day, man.